Hi, I'm Dave Jones from Maverick Diagnostics. Today I want to talk to you about the BMW Autohex product. This Autohex product is available in a number of different options, from the light version, the standard, the pro and the full package. Great if you're a BMW specialist or even a remote support specialist wanting to do just single module programming. This is the perfect choice and the perfect solution. Not only does this offer single module programming, which is a huge time saving in itself, also has the ability to do CAS 1, 2, 3 and 4 key programming. Both of these tools will require an annual software subscription, and both are available as individual items unless you go for the full kit where you get both. So I'm just going to cover the basics of what you get in the Autohex full kit. You get your Autohex 2VCI, you get your HexProg, also known as the HexTag unit. So you get these two main units. You also get a selection of cables and adapters, such as the key programmer, the HexProg power module, and an arrangement of various cables and adapters. So as you can see from the kit, the full kit especially, there's a lot of cables and adapters, as well as your 16-pin. Exceptional value for money. So that's the kit contents covered in the box. If you want to know what features and functions are available, you can visit our website maverickdiagnostics.com, or alternatively, pick up the phone and speak to one of our technical sales specialists.